Switching to a new Samsung phone and want to keep your WhatsApp chats. In this video, we'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp data and whether Smart Switch can help. Part 1. Does Samsung Smart Switch transfer WhatsApp messages? Yes, Smart Switch can transfer WhatsApp chats. Older versions couldn't support encrypted WhatsApp data, but newer versions now allow WhatsApp transfers between phones. Part 2. How to transfer WhatsApp messages to Samsung phone via Smart Switch. Transfer WhatsApp from Samsung or Android to Samsung with Smart Switch. Connect phones via USB-C, select Send or Receive data cable, choose WhatsApp and start transfer. Open WhatsApp and tap Import. Transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Samsung via Smart Switch. Update WhatsApp and Smart Switch. Connect phones via USB-C, select Send or Receive data cable, choose WhatsApp and start transfer. Open WhatsApp and tap Import. Part 3. How to transfer WhatsApp data to new Samsung via Google Drive. Run WhatsApp on your source Android or Samsung phone. Go to More Options, Settings. Navigate to Chats, Chats Backup, Backup to Google Drive. Set the backup frequency, pick an account, tap Backup. Open WhatsApp on your new Samsung phone and select Agree and Continue. Verify your phone number when required. Input the verification code sent from WhatsApp. Press Restore Next to transfer WhatsApp data to the new Samsung phone. Part 4. How to copy WhatsApp chats to Samsung over email. Open WhatsApp Settings, Chat Settings. Select Email Chat and choose Chats. Pick Media option and Send. Open the email on Samsung to view chats. Part 5. Best way to transfer WhatsApp messages between devices Android iOS. This way supports the most types of mobile phones among all methods. This is thanks to the state-of-the-art technology Social App Transfer incorporates. User Guide. Step 1. Install and connect devices. Install and open Social App Transfer. Connect both phones via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Step 2. Check devices. Confirm source and destination phones, then click Flip if needed. Step 3. Transfer WhatsApp. Click Transfer to move WhatsApp chats to Samsung.